Hello students, today we will learn about articles. Okay, what are articles? Articles are three words a, an and the. Now a, an and the are called articles. These words are used before a noun. Noun is a name of person, place or thing, right? A and an are used to refer to singular countable noun. Means A or an means one. They are using for the singular countable noun. Whenever we say he is a boy, that means one. We are indicate the one. The article A is used before a noun that begins with a consonant sound. The article an is used before a noun that begins with a vowel sound. In second class, I already told you about what are vowels and what are consonant. Vowels is A, E, I, O, U. And consonants, rest of the all words A, E, I, O, U are called consonant. But here we are using about the sound. Whenever you use the sound of the vowel A, E, I, O, U, then we have to be put an n. Now I am talking about the. We use the when we refer to a particular person, place or thing. When we say the prime minister, because prime minister is a particular person. Okay, then we use the. We use the before person or things already mentioned. When we are talking about the someone or something in any sentence, and regular we are revise the sentence when we use the. Okay, we use the before the name of things which are only one of their kind. That means unique things, just like the sun, the moon, the earth, because there is no other kind of the sun, there is no other kind of the moon. So we use the before the sun, moon, earth. Now, the rivers, the seas, ocean, holy books, mountain range, etc. For example, the Himalayas, because Himalaya is one. The Ganga is only one holy river, right? The well-known buildings, just like well-known buildings, newspaper, and some countries. For example, the Red Fort. The Red Fort is a well-known building. The Hindustan Times is well-known newspaper, right? So we use the before the buildings, newspaper, river, sea, ocean, books, mountains, that etc. Understand?